Hello, hello, everyone. Um, I again made a video for the second part of the lab that we started last week or last Monday. Actually, it's yesterday, and it is how to share the custom tool that we made. How we are going to share with your friends, with your teacher and stuff like that. Once you build the custom, and you can use it, you can plug it to your Arc tools and then use it. And at the same time, you can also share it with your friends so that your friends can enjoy your brain or ingenuity of your programming and or scripting and the custom that you made. So again, we start by visiting the course website. This is our course website, and I am going to download the data. And I cut, and then I will put the data here under my document. So I have a data, as you can see. As you can see, this is what the data consisted of. So this is what the data consisted of: a random tool and also the random sample Python file. So these are the two things that you are going to need. And it asks you to customize our catalog option. So you go to our catalog, start, ArcGIS, our catalog. And what you are going to do is, because your R catalog cannot read, as you can see here in Windows Explorer, under Data 8, you will see this random tools and random sample, two files here. But if you go to the same thing, Lab 8, what you see is only random tool. You don't see a random sample, a Python file. So in order to be able to see a Python file, you are going to customize option and then data file, add data type, import file from registry. But if your Python has been registered to this ArcPy and to this ArcGIS, what you will see is a Python file here where you can select from here, and then you will be able to see what it does or what otherwise you haven't been seen. But the problem is, because this is 10.4, a little old version, it doesn't have this facility, so you will just ignore this. You don't have to do anything. So, so that will bring you to here. So what you do is, what you see is, if you open, basically, this is what you are going to see. You see a random tool, and also a random features under Python. This is the same as the random feature that you did in the previous lab. And then the third one is random sample. You don't see it here because when we try to customize, we won't be able to find that extension. But it doesn't really hinder your ability to conduct this lab, so don't worry about it. So what you do next is, therefore, you inside Google, in the catalog tree, right click in lab 8 data, and then new folder, new, and you are going to create a new folder. And you call this new folder random. Under this new folder, you again create another 2 new folders. The first one is doc. And then the second one is scripts. So when you see the folder, your folder, you will see random here, and document, script, and also the random tools, and the random sample py, which you don't see, but a random feature file. Like this, all what you do. And what you're going to do is, you're going to copy now from our catalog, from Windows Explorer, document, lab 8. You are going to copy this and then paste under script. So after that, what you're going to do is, you are going to click on random feature and properties. Under properties, you click on source. So if you see, the random argpy is still located in old folder, which is under lab 8. So you have to correct that, because you have copied and pasted in the folder called script under another folder called random. So you click here and chapter 8 random script, and then you select the argpy file, and now the path is accurately exactly to where actually this is saved. So you apply and you click OK. And after you have done that, now we are going to create a documentation. When we create a documentation, you click on the tool, in this case, which is random feature, and you select description. You select the description, and then in the description, you click on edit. And the title of this tool is a random feature, a title that you have given. And so if you have any other picture that you want to put here, as to, for example, say, for example, here, let me get, let me open an ArcMap. I want to open that, I want to open that point data and then store it. Open. I want to open this point data and take a screenshot of it, and then save this maybe in my chapter 8. I call this, let me change it into a JPEG file, and then call it maybe random feature. So now what I can do is, where is my ARC catalog? Now I can upload from chapter 8. I can upload this as such, just to show what it is about. And after that, you are going to, in the summary session, this is a summary abstract, you're going to type or copy and paste this. I will copy and paste this. So this, it says random feature tool random tool creates a new feature class based on random selection of features in the input feature class. That is basically what it does. And after that, for the usage, you are going to copy and paste this. I can do that. And then for the input syntax, I can copy and paste this. And also for output, I can say the copy and paste this. And for points, number of features selected need to be specified between 0 and input feature class. So it is between 0 and the number in input feature class. So this is it. And then after that, you're going to save. Let me check that I have done everything. Yeah, I can save the button now. I can save it from here. So as you can see, whatever you have done with illustration and everything is already here. So now open your ARC. Open your ARC catalog and double click on your features tools. This is the features tool. So if you put your cursor here, it will define input is a feature class from which the feature are to be selected. And output, if you click on output class contains, so it will present the help for output feature, the help for input feature, and the help for the number of features. So question 1, 2, 3, and 4, they are just for you to make sure that you have done this. Lastly, again, if you want to check your documentation, the help in general, help, if you click on help tools, that will bring everything all together. Random feature, the title is random feature. Random tool creates a feature tool, a new feature class based on a random tools. And this is what is going to happen, and input is this. This is the syntax that you are going to use when you are programming it. So once you have done this, you have finished the documentation. That means you have created a metadata of it. So once you have done this, you can you can zip the whole folder. You can zip the whole folder. Yeah, you can zip, compress it, the whole folder, and then you can share your folder with anybody. You can send it to anyone through email, and then I can see what you have done. So part of the assignment that you're going to do is you will be sharing the tool that you have done this way by making a zip out of it after documentation it, and then sharing it with me. As you can see, once you share it, even if I don't know what it does, I can click here and then see what it actually take in as an input, here what it saves as an output, and the other parameters that I need in order to complete this task. And for details of programming and understanding what the model is, I can also click on the help button or help tool, and then find all the help that I need. This is how you document, how you prepare a custom tool that you create a documentation for it, and then share it with your friends or colleagues. Thank you.